Hello everyone, today I want to teach you how to make a leather star. I will be using Sinfonia brand yarn. It's 100% cotton yarn and it's about 3 millimeters. But remember, you can use whatever yarn that you prefer, but depending on the yarn that you prefer, maybe the size on your final result, the start will be bigger or smaller than my start. With this yarn, I will use 2.5 millimeters hook, but depending on the yarn that you will use, maybe you need to change the number of hook. Also, we need a wool needle and stuffing, just a little stuffing, and that's it. This is all the material that you need. Then let's start. This color is gold colored yarn. We will start making on round 1 a magic ring and 10 single crochet. I recommend that you leave a long yarn on the beginning and will be better for close later the magic ring. Then let's start 10 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and you can close the magic ring. Close very well. And now put some mark just if you think that is necessary. We will work in a spiral and just make sure that you have 10 stitches to work the second round. On the second round, we will start with 1 single crochet. I recommend that you put some mark and will be better, but it's up to you. Then 1 single crochet, and in the next stitch 1 increase, and you will repeat exactly the same 4 times more, and we will finish this round with 15 stitches. Just continue repeating exactly the same. Then let's start round 3, starting with 1 slip stitch. First, 1 slip stitch on the first single crochet on the previous round, and after that we will repeat exactly the same 5 times. First, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Starting on the second chain, taking the loop on the back, we will start with 1 single crochet. Don't worry if you make this single crochet in a form of V or X, will be okay. In my case, I prefer made it on V. 1 single crochet in the next chain, taking the back loops only, 1 half double crochet, and in the last chain 1 double crochet. Skip 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and in the next one 1 slip stitch. That's it. Repeat exactly the same one more time together. 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4 in the second chain from the hook, taking the back loops only, 1 single crochet in the next loop, 1 half double crochet, and in the last chain 1 double crochet. Skip 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and in the next one insert the hook and 1 slip stitch. That's it. Repeat exactly the same 3 times more, is 5 times in total. And I will finish at the end. The last slip stitch, I will make it on the base of the first slip stitch that we made on the beginning of this round. Just there, and that's it. 1 slip stitch, cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn just for put it to the back with the hook, just using the same hook, and using the thread from the beginning, just secure both together. That's it. Cut this at the both yarn. You can cut it because you need make 2 equal pieces. For make the union with both pieces, I will use just 2 threads from the same yarn, But if you want to make that union using glue, you can also do it, okay? I'm already made 2 equal pieces, and on the subtitle I show you now all the pattern, because you don't need, go back the video, just follow the same instructions and get the second star. Now, using just 2 thread and a wool needle, pay close attention and you can see how to make this union. For me, this is the front of this piece. I can see the beautiful chains, everything. For me, this is the front and this the back. Okay, then just put back with back like this, and I will make this union sewing just taking the back loop in each piece and in each stitch, starting on 1. You can start in whatever stitch that you prefer, but I prefer starting on the slip stitch because you can find it easy, just for that. Then starting on 1 slip stitch, whatever slip stitch that you made on the last round, and after that just taking the back loop in each piece, 1 loop here and the same that I'm used for starting, and just that, the next stitch with the next one on the another star, just like that around all the star. Maybe you don't like sewing like this, but I'm pretty sure you will love the final result. It's better than use glue. It's better than if you are sewing getting all the stitch. Well, I think that. But you can make however you can make this union however you prefer. Then just continue making this union around all the star. You can put the stuffing in the best moment for you, but what I recommend is that you leave a little hole. I will show you now. I'm so sorry. I'm show you now. I'm almost finished all this union, but when you have the union like this, you can put just a little stuffing, not too much. Remember, we use for this pattern half double crochet and double crochet. If you put too much stuffing, the final result will not be beautiful. Then just a little stuffing, and later you can continue closing. Then pay close attention and you can see how to continue and finish this union. When you finish, just cut this yarn and the star will be ready. I really love this design. It's easy and fast to make. It's small but beautiful. And I love too much because I'm already made 2 more. Then I'm use another color yarn. This one is mango, the yellow mango color yarn. Well, on Symphonia brand yarn, the name is that one. Remember, you can find this yarn with us and buy with us on our website GretaWings.com. You can see it on the corner of the top, on the top. And this is the next project on this channel. A little tree, Christmas tree. And I will use these stars for this little Christmas tree. Then I hope and you like it and you want to do it, and if it's like that and you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification when I upload that video. Remember that you have many benefits if you join to our membership on this channel. Check on the description below. And please don't forget to leave me your like and your comment. That really support this wonderful project. And if you have any questions, leave me that on the comment and I will answer you as soon as possible. Thanks a million for watching this video to the end, and see you in the next tutorial, making the Christmas tree. Bye!